Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Tea&Art. I hope you all are well, so let's start today's video. So today I am super excited to share with you this new resin that Alicam has released. So what they say about this resin is that pour, cure and demold before your coffee gets cold. So it is such a lovely rhyme and I was so excited to see this new resin that sets so fast. So it comes in two color. I got the transparent, you can see, but it is not so transparent, and there is a white one also, but I got this one. So here I'm going to mix this. It is really simple. It's 1 to 1 and it is a very liquid form of the resin. I was really afraid to use it because I really don't know how this is going to work. And one thing I'm going to say you is that please keep your molds around you and the color, everything really ready. So one thing is that when this resin dries up, it is not transparent. It is a opaque shade and it has a undertone to it. You can add dark colors to change the color of this one, but you can't keep it transparent. So again, this is my first time trying with you all, so I really don't know. So this is, you can, as I was saying, that this is the color of the other one. So it is, you can see amber color here. So I really wasn't sure what color to use. So I just had this pink one lying around. So this is another lovely color by Alicam. I'm going to use this one. And on the top, I was really afraid that it might start curing. So I was working really fast. So just 2 to 3 minutes and you have to mix it in this time frame. Actually, I used a very light color and it was not doing too much. I got a lovely sort of, you can say, a champagne color here. But again, I don't know what is the end result is going to be. So here I'm just going to show you everything without fast forwarding anything, so that you know that how it, you can see that the color is changing, but because it has a amber tone to it. But still I'm happy with the color because this is my test and I actually don't know how it's going to look like. So this is the resin mixture. This is my mold ready. I thought that I'm going to need a lot of resin, so that's why I mixed it. So here I'm just mixing the color. And before doing that, I thought, and I'm not going to make it very simple. I'm going to use a little bit of gold foil here. And you can see that I'm working really fast as I can. Just applying randomly the gold foil here and there. And on the other hand, I was looking for my resin that it might start curing. It was getting really warm. And I was mixing it and I was thinking that it is still in a liquid form. I have the time. But you will see that I am wrong in a minute. Just wait a little bit. And here I just mixed it. And to my surprise, I didn't knew that I have to mix less resin for this, and I end up with having a lot of resin in my cup. And then I was so panicked, I just went ahead and grabbed a mold that was close to me. So this is the one, and now you're going to see that what I was talking about, that you see that I'm just pouring it and the color was changing. I'm sorry for the hand in the view because the resin was curing. The color was changing everything, and yeah, here we go. The resin is cured. It is not pourable. Everything is changed here. Yep. So this is a dead resin. So this is something I'm just showing you that how fast it has. This resin has cured. Just 2-3 minutes in mixing, and I think one more minute. I don't think so. I have given it one more minute. Uh, this is the cured resin. So one thing is good that I have showed you that how fast this resin has cured, and I'm so excited to see. We will see that how I'm going to use this resin in other project, but this was a test subject today and I'm actually really impressed. And here the resin has cured. I was thinking that I can remove the bubbles, but no, it is cured. And I was just pulling it and it was taking the shape, just a little bit of the sticky side on the edges, that's it. And that for this reason I just left it for just a minute so that it cures itself. And I was thinking that I can apply the gold foil onto the bag, but you will see here that the resin is cured. Nothing is sticking to it. And here I got the knocking noise. So I was thinking that it is good for adding backgrounds if you're going to work really fast and making solid colors. So this is something to look forward to. So as I was telling you that about the edges, so as the edges are a little bit sticky, so that's why I'm not taking it out of the mold. Rest of the leaf is cured. The back is really hard. That is the thing that I was telling you, that a little bit sticky on the sides, that's it. I was looking for the edges that I can demold it, but I thought just give it a little more time, just a little bit, so that I don't want to destroy it. That's it. So after just a minute or you can a minute and a half, I just came back and now I'm going to demold this. Still a little soft, but it is good. And here we go. I am demolding this out of the mold. And here we go. This is how the leaf look like. It is lovely and it has captured all the details. Now for the crystal part. So yeah, as you can see that I poured this resin in this mold in a very panic way. So this is a deformed crystal we got, and I'm going to remove the second one, and it cured so rock hard. I'm really impressed by this. The strength of this resin I'm talking about, it is really amazing, because from this mold it is very difficult to remove a resin piece, but I'm happy about this. So this is the one. It came out really lovely. So I think I'm really happy with this resin. I might see and try different things with this. And if you have any suggestions, do let me know. I am going to try that as well. So here I'm just arranging the crystal part that I accidentally made. There was no intention of making this, but then I'm just combining it and I am just seeing how this resin cured so fast. It is a miracle resin. So let's see the final look of this lovely leaf. So I haven't done anything, just the golden foil and a little bit of golden on the edges of this feather, and then I arranged the crystal. So do let me know about your words on this resin and what do you think about that. So that's it for today, and this was really a fun, quick sort of resin creation today, and I hope you liked it. And if you did, please do let me know in comments, and also please like, subscribe and share. Thumbs up if you like the video, and if you haven't subscribed, please consider do so, and take very good care of yourself. Bye bye.